Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. Take to the skies with confidence with the E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M, the ultimate RC plane for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. With a 59-inch wingspan and Horizon Hobby's legendary safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, this aircraft transforms first-time flyers into confident pilots in record time. Its progressive flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and experienced, allow you to grow your skills safely, while panic recovery instantly returns the plane to level flight if you lose control. Built on the proven Apprentice S15E platform, the STS adds modern smart electronics that transmit real-time telemetry to your Spectrum transmitter. Monitor battery voltage, current, motor RPM, and approximate remaining flight time, making every flight safer and more informed. Optional Safe Plus GPS compatibility unlocks autopilot-like features, including Autoland and Virtual Fence, for a professional flying experience. Durable EPO construction and wide-stance tricycle landing gear make takeoffs, landings, and ground handling effortless, while breakaway wing design helps prevent serious damage during minor mishaps. Assembly is quick, under 1 hour, so you'll be airborne in no time. Whether you're a beginner ready for your first flight or an instructor teaching new pilots, the Apprentice STS ensures success, stability, and fun. Lightweight yet tough, technologically advanced, and built to last, it's the definitive choice for anyone serious about RC flying. Key specs: wingspan, 59 in length, 42.5 in weight, 49 ounces, brushless motor and 30A Smart ESC. Flight time, 10 to 15 minutes, RTF with Spectrum DXS, battery and charger sold separately. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. Experience the perfect combination of affordability, durability, and performance with the TrainStar Ascent 1.4M RC airplane. Designed for budget-conscious beginners and youth programs, this trainer delivers big plane stability with a tough, unibody ABS fuselage that resists cracks and survives crashes that would destroy lesser models. At 55 inches 1,400 millimeters wingspan, it offers exceptional wind handling and predictable, gentle flight characteristics ideal for learning. Powered by a 4023/1050 kV brushless motor with 40A ESC, the Ascent climbs confidently, handles basic aerobatics, and provides smooth control across all 4 channels. The click-and-plug wing mounting system makes assembly a breeze, no tools needed, so you'll be flying in minutes. Durable EPO foam wings complement the plastic fuselage, combining lightweight performance with unmatched resilience. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a club instructor, this plane is built to endure repeated crashes, minimizing repair costs and frustration. Its forgiving nature gives newcomers confidence, while experienced pilots appreciate the reliable performance and ease of use. Key specs: wingspan, 55 in length, 40 in weight, 1.81 pounds, motor, BL 4023/1050 kV brushless ESC, 40A brushless 3S 2200 mAh LiPo, sold separately, PNP completion level. Affordable, tough, and fun to fly, the TrainStar Ascent proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy high-quality RC flight. It's the ideal trainer for anyone serious about learning the skies without compromise. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Experience the thrill of bush flying with confidence using the Carbon Cub S2 1.3M RC airplane. Designed for beginners and scale enthusiasts alike, this STOL trainer combines safe technology, functional slotted flaps, and oversized Tundra tires to make short-field takeoffs and rough-terrain landings effortless. Its 51-inch wingspan and lightweight Z-foam EPO construction deliver a stable, forgiving flight experience that grows with your skills. The safe system provides beginner, intermediate, and expert modes, allowing pilots to gradually expand their capabilities without fear of crashes. Optional Safe Plus GPS upgrades unlock autopilot-like features for Autoland, Virtual Fence, and holding patterns, adding professional-level functionality to your training plane. Float-ready provisions and a water rudder make it adaptable for lakes or ponds, giving you versatile flying opportunities. HobbyZone's attention to detail shines through in the scale-accurate fuselage, pilot figure, and functional tricycle landing gear. Pre-installed control surfaces and a telemetry-capable 30A Smart ESC simplify setup and give real-time performance insights via your Spectrum transmitter. Key specs: wingspan, 51 in length, 34 in weight, 32.2 ounces, without battery, motor, 489/60 kV brushless battery, 3S 1300 to 2200 mAh LiPo transmitter, Spectrum DXS included, RTF. Perfect for first-time pilots or seasoned flyers wanting a versatile, scale trainer, the Carbon Cub S2 delivers fun, confidence, and growth potential. With robust parts support and a flight-ready design, it proves that budget-friendly doesn't mean compromise. This is premium performance at an accessible price. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Experience the thrill of flying a classic Warbird with the F4U Corsair Micro RC airplane, designed to make even beginners feel like a pro. With a 400mm, 15.7-inch wingspan and the advanced 6-axis Spilot Euro stabilization system, this Micro Corsair delivers stable, predictable flight while letting you enjoy the iconic look and aerobatic potential of a true World War II fighter. Its lightweight 60G frame and propeller saver design make minor crashes more funny than costly, giving first-time pilots confidence from day one. Perfect for kids, adults, and anyone drawn to military aircraft, the Corsair's 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow you to gradually grow your skills. 1 key aerobatic functions enable impressive loops and rolls, even for novices, while Spilot prevents tip stalls and snap rolls that normally challenge Warbirds. The complete RTF package includes everything you need to get airborne: pre-assembled airframe, coreless gearbox motor, 1S 500 mAh LiPo battery, and transmitter. Flight times of 12 to 15 minutes provide plenty of fun in backyards, parks, or small fields. The durable EPP foam construction bounces back from impacts, and the scale navy paint scheme adds authentic style. Key specs: wingspan, 400mm, weight, 60G motor, coreless with gearboxed battery, 1S 500 mAh LiPo, range, 200 plus FT, flight time, 12 to 15 minutes. Affordable, fun, and nearly indestructible, the F4U Corsair Micro RC is the ultimate first Warbird, delivering high excitement without the usual learning curve. It proves that beginners don't have to settle for boring trainers. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. Experience Warbird flying at its finest with the E-flite Cripes a mighty third P51D Mustang 1.2M. This sport-scale Mustang combines authentic scale details with advanced performance features, making it ideal for intermediate and advanced pilots. Operational split flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and a signature 4-blade prop deliver the full Warbird experience, while the AS3X system, with optional safe select, smooths flight for controlled, confident handling. Perfect for history enthusiasts and seasoned RC pilots, this Mustang provides both precision and excitement. On 3S LiPo, it behaves like a gentleman's Warbird, offering docile handling and smooth landings. Switch to 4S, and it unleashes powerful vertical climbs and aerobatic thrills. Functional flaps allow slow, floaty landings, while sequenced retracts with scale covers add realism. The Smart 70A ESC with telemetry provides critical flight data to compatible Spectrum transmitters. Crafted from durable EPO with strategic reinforcements, this Mustang features museum-quality paint, metal-geared servos, and exceptional scale fidelity. Every detail, from exhaust stacks to landing gear doors, reflects precision engineering. Key specs: wingspan, 48 in length, 42 in weight, 54 ounces, without battery, motor, BL15850 kV brushless battery, 3S 2200 to 3200 mAh LiPo. Flight features: AS3X, optional safe select, functional flaps, electric retracts. Limited in availability due to discontinuation, the P51D Mustang 1.2M remains a prized sport-scale Warbird that balances stunning scale realism with exhilarating performance, perfect for pilots ready to elevate their flying experience.